Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am actually using this hydration skincare kit with a green tea by Innisfree. So this is their green tea kit for dry skin people out there, and this kit includes the foam cleanser, the serum, the skin, and the cream, as you can see. And this kit is super duper affordable as well. So I have already cleansed my skin, and now I'm directly going in with the serum. I am taking the serum and just patting the serum on my skin, and it smells so good. And I'm just patting the serum. You don't need to massage it, you need to pat the product into your skin. And yes, after that I am using the skin. Now skin is a very watery like consistency, okay? It is not thick as serum, it is very lightweight, very water type. And I'm again patting the skin on the skin. Afterwards I am going in with this green tea cream, and just gonna massage this and lock everything up. And you need to just massage the cream like this, and always in the upward motion, okay? And I forgot the cream on my nose. Yeah, bummer. And afterwards I am using this eye cream. This eye cream is not included in the kit. I got this I purchased basically separately. So yeah, I am again taking the eye cream on my fingers, and then just with a very lightest motion I'm massaging it. And afterwards I am using this green tea mist. This is such a fine mist and such a hydrating mist. I love this mist so much. And I'm just fanning the mist out, and then just massaging everything up. And as you can see, my skin is looking so hydrating and so moisturizing. And I'm now off to bed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.